Hello, my name is Franz Zeisberger. Today I'm doing an Accounting 1 PowerPoint on proper internal control. So what is it? What is internal control? Well, it's the basis at making sure the company is making money through the use of rules and regulations put in place to help discourage deceitful behavior or the company being cheated out of money. In other words, a system that enforces compliance with law, both all three, local, state, and federal, and ensures a company's effectiveness and willingness to thrive and make money in the company, because that is their job, to make money. My plan is simple. For most companies, the proper internal control measures have already been implemented. However, I would like to discuss some of the things that I could do differently. First of all, there needs to be less things written on paper copies. Paper transactions just do not simply work. I worked for a company in which I was in upper management, and I was often told when I had to close out and count all the money at the end of the day to record it via paper. However, it can cause a lot of confusion, and in exchange with that confusion, it can also cause error, because it is my pen to paper exemplary making sure that is the correct format and making sure the numbers add up and everything like that. But it's just me doing it on paper and not a machine to check it. By switching entirely to computers, though, upper management would easily be able to check and make sure the numbers add up to what they were supposed to be, because from the transactions being rung up at the front of the store, they should be able to go into a file, go into a computer, and then it be totaled up by itself. And then the human should have to come along and double check that it gets that same amount as what the computer is generating. I would like more ways for all the data to be processed as well, as in addition to make sure that there's ways to check and balance it so that you don't lose profit or products or sales or anything like that. We want to be a way to keep track of all of that at once. My system for this problem would be to implement a program that would check human math with predetermined and computerized math to check that what the employees are doing are correct, instead of just forging their own numbers and making their own gain based on it. So there is the human factor. This basically states that humans are flawed. We have a lot of error and a lot of sins that we will commit, in which all humans basically want more, whether that's land, money, power, wealth, you name it, they want more. And because of this, no system, no internal control system is perfect, and it never will be, because we are all human. So my solution to that is quite simple. If you pay employees more, based not on how long that they have been with the company, but how hard they work for the company, it says a lot more. And because they are getting paid more, they are less likely to try to cheat the system for their own monetary gain, or as well as social gain. In summary, I have learned from both this class as well as personal experience in management is that systems are already in place. They're there to protect companies' money and assets, not to trap the employees. They are vital to every company, and in the end, it is a business, not a charity, where the bottom line is to protect their own assets and profits. And in doing this, I did a little bit of research, and here are my references. So, in alphabetical order, and there you go. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and I hope you've learned a little bit about internal proper control. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.